Good morning students. Today we will be doing question second of 9.5. Yesterday we did 3 identities and today we are going to start our fourth identity, that is x plus a into x plus b. What does it mean? कि first term दोनों की same है और second different है. When we will find the product of these two terms, these two expression, what we will get, फर्स्ट टर्म का स्क्वायर एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस दो जो डिफरेंट टर्म्स हैं उनको प्लस देन मल्टीप्लाई बाय फर्स्ट टर्म दैट इज सेम इन बोथ द एक्सप्रेशन एंड the terms which are product of terms which are different. Okay, now see x plus 3x plus 7. Now here x is equal to x only, a is equal to 3 और second जो अलग term है that is equal to b 7. Is it clear? Now you will see that when we will open first जो same है उसका square x square plus a plus b means 3 plus 7 into जो same term है plus ab means जो different terms हैं उनका product. What you will get? X square 7 plus 3 into x 10x plus 7 3s are 21. This will be your answer. Now I am taking one more part. 4x is same in both these, so x is equal to 4x. When you will compare with this x plus a, and here it is minus 5, so a is equal to minus 5 and same way b is equal to minus 1. So when we will solve the identity, first जो same है उसका square whole square 4x का square plus जो दो different है minus 5, keep them in small brackets, plus second term का addition multiply by 4x plus ab, a means minus 5 and small bracket I am using and b means minus 1. When you will open these 4 4s are 16 x square. Now see this minus 5 minus 1 both are negative, so we will add and on adding we will get 6 but sign of negative minus 6 4x plus 5 ones are 5 minus minus plus. ठीक है. Now 16x square minus 6 4s are 24, ये minus आ गया x plus 5. This will be our answer. In this way we will solve. Now next part, here first term is 2x, that is same in both. Then a is equal to 5y and b is equal to 3y. Now we will be doing this part. First we will find what is the identity. X square means 2x square plus a plus b 5y plus 3y into x means 2x plus ab means two different terms we will multiply. So this is the identity. Now solve. 2 2s are 4, x square 5 6 7 8, 8y into 2x plus 5 3s are 15, y into y square. Now multiply these two also. 4x square 8 2s are 16 xy plus 15y square. This will be our answer. In same way, one more part I have taken. Here x, that is same in both, is 2a square. In first a is 9 and b is equal to 5. Now on the same rule we will be doing 2a square x square x square. So what is x? 2a square whole square. Is it clear? Then plus a plus b, 9 plus 5 into x means 2a square plus ab 9 5s. Now when we will solve 2 2s are 4, a square पहले ही है और 2 और तो 2 2s are 4, पावर कितनी हो गई a की 4 plus 9 plus 5 you will get 14 into 2a square, 9 5s are 45, 4a raised to power 4, then 14 2s are 28, a square plus 45. This will be the answer. With same rule, same identity, you will solve the other parts also. Now in question number 3rd, we have to find the squares by using identities, and 3 identities that we did yesterday and 1 today. So based on the yesterday's identity, a minus b, दो के बीच में माइनस का साइन है, whole square. So I think you must remember a minus b whole square, a square minus 2ab plus b square. So I am writing here, first you may write a is equal to b and b is equal to 7. If you remember this identity, a minus b whole square, ये वाली आइडेंटिटी हम यूज करेंगे. सो व्हाट वाज द इट, a स्क्वायर फर्स्ट टर्म का स्क्वायर, पहली टर्म जो है उसका स्क्वायर माइनस 2 इंटू a क्या है यहाँ पे b, और b क्या है 7, प्लस b का स्क्वायर मीन्स सेकेंड टर्म का स्क्वायर, a b मीन्स फर्स्ट और सेकेंड टर्म्स है, तो b स्क्वायर माइनस 14b plus 7 7s are 49. This will be your answer. In the same way, somewhat different it is, just a minus b whole square, this you are going to use a minus b whole square, and here a is equal to 6x square, means a means first term, and b second term क्या है 5y. जब दो टर्म्स में माइनस का साइन है एंड वी हैव टू फाइंड होल स्क्वायर, मींस सेम ब्रैकेट आर बीइंग मल्टीप्लाइड, वी हैव टू फाइंड द प्रोडक्ट ऑफ सेम ब्रैकेट्स. तो क्या है आइडेंटिटी, फर्स्ट टर्म का स्क्वायर एक्स स्क्वायर का होल स्क्वायर, ये फर्स्ट टर्म उसका स्क्वायर माइनस 2, पहली टर्म है 6x स्क्वायर, कीप ऑन यूजिंग द टर्म्स इन, कीप द टर्म्स इन ब्रैकेट्स, ठीक है. सेकेंड टर्म क्या है 5y प्लस सेकेंड टर्म जो है 5y का स्क्वायर. नाउ सॉल्व द ब्रैकेट, 6 6 are 36 स्क्वायर इनटू पावर 2 मींस 2 2s are 4, 6 2s are 12, 12 5s are 60 x square y plus 5 5s are 25 y square. This will be your answer. Now one more part I am taking, that is related to other identity. Instead of a minus b we will take plus. I have taken, this is related to a plus b whole square. two terms का जब square हमें addition में है, a is 2xy and b is 5y. When you will solve this, you will get first term का square plus 2 into first term into second term, that is b, and plus second term ka square. Now solve this, you will get 2 2s are 4 x square y square plus 2 2s are 4, 4 5s are 20 x, y into y square, 5 5s are 25 y square. So students, in this way you will solve the squares using identities, a plus b whole square, a minus b whole square. These two identities will be used in question number 3rd. So your homework for today is question 2nd and 3rd of exercise 9.5. This is your work for today. Thank you. Have a nice day.